Welcome to another Super Tool tutorial. Today is going to be about changing the colors in PDF documents. Quick examples here. What if we wanted to change the whole document for multiple colors? Like on the left, we have the original document, which was black and red and yellow, white. We've changed it all to gradations of blue. What if we wanted to change it to grayscale? That's possible too. What if we wanted to just select, say, a white background color and change it to red? Well, that's possible. Or if we wanted to change individual words or sentences or sections, here we've changed the black title on the left to red on the right. This was super easy to do. You just draw a rectangle around it, select the color you wanted, and then you've got the PDF that's modified that you can download. So this is all available at supertool.org, PDF color editor. Let me show you what that looks like. This is the Supertool website right here. You can go to PDF Tools. This is the newest tool, so you can go to, at the bottom, PDF Color Editor. Click Begin here to start the application. First downloads are free, so you can try this out. First thing you want to do is click the Browse button in the top left. You want to select the PDF that you want. That uploads, and now you're able to see your original document on the left and the modified colors on the right. So here we've changed it to blue, but we could click in the color picker on the left and we could say make it red. So now we have all gradations of red. But we can also just change a selection of it. If we go to page selections here, let's change just the header to, instead of black, let's change it to red. Great. So what if we also wanted to change another row, like this first row that says horses? We can also do that. So we have the combined rectangles here, all changing from whatever color they were to some version of the output color that we've selected at the bottom, which is some version of red. So we could change different selections, for example, on page 2. Like we could change the whole bottom half to, say, some blue color. Right, so we have blue on page 2 at the bottom, and on page 1 we have our header row and that other row highlighted in red. So what if we wanted to change the header on every page of the document? This is a 204-page PDF. We go to uniform selection. So this applies whatever selection we have to all pages across the PDF. Now we make a selection. Let's, for example, change the header. So now we've changed the black that's in the header to some version of red. Let's change it to some version of orange now for something different. Now, if I go out to, say, page 27, we'll see that on page 27, we also have orange. So we can now just click download. The whole PDF, all pages would now have an orange header. There's a few more features on here, but I want to highlight one, which is the replace colors function. So we're back on page 1. We could go to replace colors. And let's say we wanted to change all of the dark green rows to red. Well, we could make a whole bunch of individual rectangles if we're on page selections. But if we want to do that automatically, we can go down here to replace colors. We can pick a color. Now we can hover over the dark green that we want to change. Click that. So now we have the from color here to the to color in red. And now if we click entire document, so now every green throughout the entire document that was that dark green will now be changed to red. So with just a couple clicks in all these rows, we've now changed all the colors to red. And again, you can just click download and your whole PDF will be there. Go to supertool.org to check it out.